At Aculon, our mission is to use our expertise in surface modification technologies to enable customers to make better products by being fast, innovative, responsive, and to build a great company for all stakeholders. All stakeholders includes our employees. It's very important to us that we build a great organization and have a great culture. Hiring, retaining people is key. A lot of people say it's all about the people, but it's really about the right people and having the right values. At Aculon, we have 7 core values. Firstly is innovation. We never give up seeking innovative ways to solve tough problems. That's what we do. We like to solve customer problems. Our second is speed. We are fast, we're responsive, and we get things done. That's a core differentiator for us versus some of the larger competitors that we deal with. We work fast. Third is teamwork. We work together to solve problems and show each other respect. Having a great team is essential to our success, and being a part of the team is something that we really enjoy every day. Fourth, we're customer focused. We build strong customer relationships and deliver great results for all. Making our customers excited and delighting them is what it's about. They keep coming back and then they stay with us as a customer for a long time. Fifth is integrity. We're honest, we're transparent, and we're committed to doing what's best for our customers and our company. Every day you've got to act with integrity to be part of Aculon. Sixth is fun. We enjoy the journey. Now, fun is not a usual value that many companies have, but we believe it's important. We think it's important that you have a choice. You choose to come to Aculon and choose to work with Aculon as opposed to other companies. So we want to make sure there's fun. And then finally, healthy. We want to make sure everybody's safe, they're healthy, and they're strong. Working here is great fun, but it takes a lot of work, a lot of energy. So it's really important to us that we have the right people that fit these values, because if they have these values, then culture really builds into a great organization.